Hello everyone. Today we want to touch about this scenario about ingest user-defined data frame into Medallion architecture. Uh, and we have the three steps. First is the ingest user-defined data frame into the bronze layer. Second is the perform transformation and the data frame to move it into the silver layer, and finally aggregate and still result in the gold layer. Okay, here we go. Uh, First is the initialize expression. And define user-defined data, simulating the raw data in the bronze layer. And next step is to create a data frame with the sample data. And show the data frame. Uh, okay, and next step is transform data into the cell layer. In cell layer, we clean and transform the data. For example, we can filter out event transaction or handle missing values. In this case, let's assume all data is valid, and we will just process the data frame. Process step is clean and clean transform data. Your converted date to appropriate type. And next step is write the clean data to the silver layer. Here I write data and a new delta table. And finally display the silver layer data. Okay, in this step we are simulating the silver layer by converting the transaction date to a proper date format. We write this claim data to a delta table, simulating the silver layer storage. Okay, and third and uh, finally, a step is aggregating store data in the goal layer. For goal layer, we can create summary tables. In this example, like let's calculate master sales totals per product ID and user ID. And next step is write the aggregate data to the goal layer. Okay, and next step is show the gold layer aggregate data. Okay, yeah, here we are grouping the data by user ID and product ID and the most of the transaction there to calculate total sales for each combinations. This aggregate data is then written to the goal layer as simulated here by writing to a delta table. Thanks for watching.